April 4th, 2025. We're at the final lock of 3. I forget which one this is, but this is on the, I think it's the Pacific side. And we're about to go through the final lock. We just dropped down about 85 feet. These doors are going to open up. And we got this guy here. Things secure. We were up about that high earlier. Now we're all the way down here. You can see the numbers. 79, 78, 77, 61, 59. Here we go. It's like something out of Captain Nemo. It's really pretty cool. We're sharing the space with the ship next to us. We're tied up to them. We're stable. When all the water goes out. It's really rather epic.
Here we go. The last gate is opening, so that we are last position. Ladies and gentlemen, we're passing from Norwich to Florida. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean is ahead of us.
We have an ocean just in front of us, so we want to see it
Look at this guy, he's so impatient.
through the Pacific Ocean for approximately 1 hour. Before arriving to the port.
Zoom, zoom, baby.
So guys, remember I told you that you're single and you want to continue single to keep away from
Very
the
cool.
wall.
Very cool. Looks very Gothic. Walls and stuff.
You gotta smile if you get in here again.
That's Pacific. Very cool. The breeze feels good. Yeah, just a really cool trip down the locks, going from 85 feet down to sea level, which is where we're at. And I'd recommend doing this tour because it's kind of romantic with all the Captain Nemo Gothic kind of locks. The locks we went through on the big ship were huge and very automatic, but there's something about the complications and machinery of this lock. So yeah, very cool day.